Stop. Wait.
What's wrong?
You're lost.
Lost? Me?
Yes. No map. No clue.
Oh no. What do I do?
Simple. Ask.
Ask who?
Anyone. But you need the right words.
Right words?
Yes. Excuse me. That's the magic key.
Oh, I like that. Short, polite.
Exactly. People listen. People help.
So, English saves me?
Always. English opens doors. Even streets.
Huh. Nice. Show me how.
Okay, let's go. Step by step. John, listen. You're lost.
Yes, very lost.
Don't panic. Stay calm.
But I don't know what to say.
Start simple. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Good. Now add, can you help me?
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Perfect. That's polite. Clear.
Okay, but what if I need the train station?
Then say, excuse me, where is the train station?
Excuse me, where's the train station?
Great. Easy. Direct.
What if I want the bus station?
Just change the word. Bus station.
Excuse me, where's the bus station?
Exactly. One formula, many places.
Nice, simple trick.
Yes. And remember, always polite.
Always polite. Got it.
If you want more detail, try, how can I get to?
How can I get to Main Street?
Perfect. Now it sounds smoother.
So I can ask about streets, stations, banks, anything.
Exactly. Change the word, keep the sentence.
Wow, that's useful.
See? Not scary at all.
You make it sound easy.
Because it is. Just practice. Imagine this. You are in a new city.
Okay, I see tall buildings.
You feel lost. What do?
I look around.
Good. Then you walk to someone.
And I say, excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect start. The person smiles.
I feel better already.
Then you ask, can you tell me where the train station is?
Can you tell me where the train station is?
Nice. Now listen to the answer.
What do they say?
They say, go straight.
Go straight. Easy.
Or they say, turn left.
Turn left.
Sometimes, turn right.
Turn right. Clear.
Another one, it's next to the bank.
Oh, good phrase.
Or it's across from the park.
Across from, so opposite side.
Exactly. Or it's behind the supermarket.
Nice. Short directions.
Yes, people don't use long sentences, only key words.
That makes sense.
Imagine this. Excuse me, where's Main Street?
Okay, what's the answer?
The person says, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right.
2 blocks, then right. Got it.
Or walk past the post office. It's on your left.
Walk past. Good expression.
Yes, walk past means go by it, don't stop.
Okay, walk past the post office.
Then you hear, it's near the bus stop.
Oh, that's easy to remember.
Exactly. Always listen for key words. Straight, left, right, next to, across, near, behind.
Those words are like a map in my head.
Yes, they guide you.
What if I don't understand?
Good question. You say, sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Or, can you say that slowly?
Can you say that slowly?
Perfect. That shows respect, and people usually help more.
I like that.
One more tip. Use your hands. Point. Smile. People understand.
So body language helps too.
Always. Communication is not only words.
This is very practical.
Yes. Now imagine you're in London. You ask, excuse me, how can I get to Oxford Street?
Okay, and they say,
Take the second left, then go straight. It's opposite the big cinema.
wow, that sounds real.
Yes, that's how people really speak. Short, clear, natural.
I think I can survive now.
You can more than survive. You can connect.
That's powerful.
John, today you are in a big city.
I see many cars, shops, people.
And you are lost again.
Oh no, not again.
Don't worry. Time to practice.
Okay, I need the museum.
Good. Walk to someone. Say it.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the museum is?
Excellent. The person answers, go straight, then turn right at the traffic light.
Go straight, then right at the traffic light.
Perfect. Now repeat.
Excuse me, where is the museum?
This time, the person says, it's next to the library.
Next to the library. Easy.
Good. Let's try another. You want the hospital.
Okay. Excuse me, how can I get to the hospital?
Nice. The answer, go across the bridge. The hospital is on your left.
Across the bridge on the left.
Great. Another answer, it's opposite the school.
Opposite the school. So, across from.
Exactly. Now, one more. You need the supermarket.
Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
The answer, go down the street, walk past the bank, and you'll see it on the right.
Walk past the bank on the right.
Good memory.
It feels more real now.
Yes, because this is how people really answer.
Sometimes fast.
True. That's why you must listen for key words. Left, right, straight, next to, across, behind.
Those are my survival words.
Exactly. Short, powerful, clear.
What if I don't hear well?
Ask again. Say, sorry, could you repeat that?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Or, sorry, can you speak slowly?
Sorry, can you speak slowly?
Perfect. That's natural and polite.
Okay, let's practice again. I need the bus station.
Good. Say it.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the bus station is?
Nice. The answer, go straight for 3 blocks, then turn left. It's near the hotel.
3 blocks, turn left, near the hotel.
Excellent. Try again.
Excuse me, how can I get to the bus station?
This time, it's just around the corner.
Around the corner. I like that.
Very common phrase. Means very close.
Oh, that's useful.
See? Every time you ask, you learn new expressions.
Yes, asking directions is like free English class.
Exactly. Real English, real life.
Now I feel more confident.
That's the goal. With these sentences, you'll never feel lost.
Thank you, Anna. You saved me again.
Always, John. And remember, practice every day. So, John, let's take a moment to look back. What did we really practice today?
We talked about asking for directions, how to stop someone politely, how to use simple questions like, where is, or how can I get to, and how to understand short answers.
Exactly. And we also saw that people often use landmarks like next to the bank or across from the park instead of long explanations.
Yes, that's true. It makes everything easier.
And we learned one very important thing. Don't be afraid to ask. Most people want to help. And if you keep your questions short and clear, they will understand.
I agree. It's not just about English words, it's about confidence.
Right. And that's why I want everyone listening to tell us, have you ever been lost in a city and had to ask for directions in English?
That's a great question. Write your story in the comments. Share how you asked or what problems you had.
Yes, and let us know what phrases you think are the most useful. We read your comments and they help us create better conversations for you.
And don't forget, if you enjoyed this conversation, hit the like button.
Subscribe too so you don't miss the next practice. Every time you join us, your English gets stronger.
That's true. Step by step, word by word, conversation by conversation.
Exactly, John. And remember, English is not about studying only, it's about using it in real life.
Perfect way to end. So thank you for joining us today.
See you in the next conversation. And until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep enjoying the journey.